She stopped texting you. Her replies turned cold and short. The woman who once wanted your attention now acts like you don't matter, and you're left wondering what happened. But listen closely. This is not the time to chase her. This is the time to rise and focus on yourself. In this video, we'll talk about how to stay calm and in control using the mindset of Stoicism. You'll learn why staying silent is more powerful than getting angry, why being emotionally detached is stronger than being obsessed, and why valuing yourself over needing her approval is the key. This isn't about getting revenge. It's about becoming stronger. She may think you'll fall apart, but instead, you quietly disappear, calm, stoic, and unshaken. Let her feel your absence, because that silence hits harder than words. It's like a storm. So why is she ignoring you? Here's the truth. It's a test. Whether she means to or not, it's a way to see how you'll react. She's testing your strength. Do you need her attention to feel good about yourself? Will you lose control just because she pulls away? Or will you stay grounded and show her you don't rely on anyone for your worth? Will you chase after her like every other guy just to feel validated? Or will you stay calm, confident, and in control? Stoic men never beg for attention. They focused on mastering their thoughts and emotions and let the world adjust to them. As Marcus Aurelius said, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you'll find strength. So, what does a Stoic man do when a woman starts ignoring him? He stays still. He does nothing, and that nothing says everything. She expects you to react, to get emotional. But your silence speaks louder than any message because it shows her something powerful. You don't need her terrifying. You don't need her. And that's when she realizes her ego, the one she tried to use to control you, has no power. She broke the rules of how a true man responds to being ignored. Lesson 1. Detach to take control. As Epictetus said, we don't suffer from events, but from how we judge them. Being ignored only hurts when you see it as rejection. Instead, see it as clarity. She's showing you who she really is. If a woman pulls away without respect or communication, she's removing herself from your life. Let her. You don't need closure. You need to understand the truth. Never chase someone who's trying to leave. Lesson 2. Respect yourself more than you want her attention. Every time you double text, over-explain, or seek validation, you weaken your confidence and masculinity. Women don't respect men who can't walk away. As Seneca said, he who is brave is free. When you protect your peace instead of begging for attention, you shift the balance. You're not reacting. You're taking your power back. And she will feel that shift. Lesson 3. Let your silence do the talking. Don't block her. Don't make dramatic posts. Don't announce your exit. Just go quiet. Let her wonder where your energy went. Get smarter responses, upload files and images and more. Log in, sign up for Don't Post About Her. Don't block her. Don't make a scene. Just go silent. Let her see your story and wonder why you're no longer watching hers. Let her send that, hey, 2 weeks later and get no reply. Your silence isn't petty, it's powerful. Lesson 4. Stop investing in the fantasy and start investing in yourself. Use this space to grow. Hit the gym. Focus on your goals. Build your mindset and surround yourself with strong people. Put all the energy you were giving to her into becoming the kind of man who doesn't just attract women. He commands respect. Because when you grow in silence, you come back so changed, she won't even recognize you. She never had the real you, only a version. And the new you won't even look back. Now, let's be honest. When a woman ignores them, most men fall into one of 3 traps. They beg, they get angry, or they pretend to be fine on social media. But all those actions scream the same thing. I'm not okay without you. A Stoic man does the opposite. He disappears. He doesn't post quotes about heartbreak. He doesn't play games. He simply lets her walk away because he knows that anything that leaves his peace was never meant to stay, that you're not here to convince anyone of your worth. You're here to master yourself. And here's the twist. When she feels your silence, sees your growth, and realizes you've moved on, her ego starts to break. What she thought was control was really just your kindness, and now it's gone. Let her feel the silence. The final Stoic move. She ignored you, but you didn't break. You didn't chase. You didn't lose yourself. You evolved. Marcus Aurelius once said, "The best revenge is not to be like your enemy." So let her play her games. Let her try to trigger you. You stay calm, focused, grounded, like a fire that burns quietly but powerfully, because in the end, her silence showed you what she truly values. And if it's not you, that's her loss, not yours. So walk away. Walk with pride. Walk in silence. And watch how her ego falls apart in the face of your indifference, that you're not being cold. You're being calm. And that calm will protect you from anything that doesn't deserve you.